Hey YouTube, today I have another knife review for you. This is actually a knife from a friend of mine, and BAM! It's a Swiss Army knife. I guess I'll show everything to you that's inside here. The symbol for the Swiss Army. The ring for a keychain. I guess I'll take these guys out first. This is a pair of tweezers. A toothpick. This is the largest blade in the knife. This is the smallest blade in the knife. Very sharp. This is a bottle opener with, I believe, a flathead screwdriver. This is a bottle opener with some kind of blade on it. I'm not quite sure what that is. These are scissors. Pretty strong, really sharp. This is a Phillips head screwdriver. Not quite sure what this I don't know what this blade does. It's pretty sharp though. And I'm not quite sure what that is. So if you guys can tell me what that is, I would really appreciate that. And that's about it for this knife. But very good quality knives. Very good quality for these knives. Made in Switzerland. If you don't have one, I really recommend you buying one of these. Thank you. Please comment and subscribe, and thank you.